Lua is an embeddable scripting language used for game development and 3D animations. But to install it on Ubuntu, you will have to know exactly the name of the version you want to install.
Simply run sudo apt update and run sudo apt install Lua. So we have a list of available packages. So I'm going to select the latest version. So I'm going to install the version 5.4. Sudo apt install Lua 5.4. It's installing it right now.
You may have another version of Lua already installed on your system. So to be sure that the installation went well and that you are going to use the new version, you will have to do this.
Make sure that when typing Lua, I'm going to have the latest version. I'm going to edit the bash.rc file and add an alias in that file that points to the recent or the desired Lua version. So I'm going to use nano to edit my file. So the home folder followed by bash.rc. I'm going to add this alias at the end of the file, so it will be visible later or easy to find. So alias Lua, I'm going to point to the folder of Lua, which is Lua 5.4 alias Lua equal to a batch.rc file, which is fine. Now when I type Lua v -v, it will give me the latest installed version.
All these details are described in the post in the description below. Bye.